Hello friends, this is the Black Friday ad for Walmart. There were two previous, but this one is the main event for the week of Black Friday, and I know that is quite confusing, but we're just going to jog through all of this. So as you can see, Monday the 22nd, online, these deals will begin, and then in-store, it will be Friday, November the 26th. And I believe on Thanksgiving Day, Walmarts will be closed. So if you are part of this, which is the Walmart Plus, you will have access to these deals 4 hours before they're live to everybody on their website. Now, this is a 20-page ad. I will pin it in the notes if you wish to look through it at home. The first little thing is get up to $750 in e-gift cards when you buy selected Apple or Samsung phones. Perhaps that might be a deal if you're looking for a new phone. And then we have a 70-inch TV for $398. Wow, that is pretty cool. At the bottom of the page, we have $69 air fryer ovens. That one looks really fancy. We have an Apple Watch at 50% off, and then we have the Xbox at $299. And then this, everybody's looking for that PlayStation for $499. My understanding is that people that were part of the Walmart Plus, the 4-hour early access, a lot of those people were scoring it. So that might be something to look into if you really are on the hunt for that PlayStation 5. And a whole lot of games to go with your PlayStation 5 if you're so lucky to get one. Okay, moving along, we have the Nintendo Switch for $299. If you look at the fine print, it says min 5 per store. That's how they get you. Right there. And other doodads for your gaming at a reduced cost. These next two pages, if you are a gamer or like online gaming, a lot of this stuff is some significant savings, $150 off, or it's just a special buy. And then this page, again, a lot more savings. The AirPod Pro for $159, not a bad little deal. And this page, more computers and such, the Gateway, $149, and then the other one for $179. Those are really, fantastic price points. And if you look, it says minimum 10 per store. So that's definitely something on the 26th. You'll have to get there at the crack of dawn if you want to be getting a computer. And then also a 70-inch television for $548. Fantastic. And again, more little things for the household. At the bottom, we have a special buy, the Roku media player for $15, and then the Google Nest for $49.98. That's almost $50. That is $50 off of that. So that is a really great price point. And more cell phones. They're really pushing these phones. And if you are trying to get a new phone, this might be the week to do it. I know that sometimes ordering this sort of stuff online might be more difficult. So going in store to see what they have in stock, if you need a new phone, that might be a smart idea if you're in the hunt for a new phone. Every page in this ad complements the second page, so these are all the accessories for your special phone. An OtterBox for $19, that is some value, and all the different things to charge your phone, that little pad to put your phone on, really nice for $13. Now for the home chefs out there, $59 for that Instant Pot smack dab in the ad. It's typically $100 for that Instant Pot. I bought one years ago at that price point. And then they have the other one that's an air fryer and an Instant Pot, $99, also a fantastic price. Everything on this page is like 50% off, so some really good deals. And we have more stuff for the home chef. I think the Magic Bullet Personal Blender for $15 is the biggest value on this page, but stuff if you are a home cook. And then this Pioneer Woman set, 30-piece for $79. I'm not sure about that, unless Ray's coming to your house to cook a meal. That seems like, almost full price. And $30 for a dish set, that's a great one. $15 for that jumbo cooker, that's a very good price point. And then we have a 20-piece cutlery set, that's also a good price point. The Cricut for $149, for somebody who's artsy and craftsy, that might be a fantastic Christmas gift. And an air mattress and the throw, if you're entertaining for the holidays, you might need these two items. And yes, they are both great price points. And more pillows and stuff to make that bed cozy. $5 for that Serta fluffy pillow. Maybe that's something you can get for everybody on your Christmas list. Okay, the iRobot Roomba, a little vacuum. You're saving $230. That is a really good value. And Heart, if you like those tools, $138. Okay, so if you like to gift some pajamas under the tree for Christmas, $5 each, that is a bargain basement price for a lot of kids. different sizes. And then for bigger kids, we have $12. And then we have the men's Wrangler jeans for $5. And then pajamas for the whole family. $10, yes. To go with a lot of those pajamas, you have the super cozy slipper socks and also those adorable little bear paw slippers. Very cute. For the outdoors, I really like that snowman inflatable for $25 and it's 9 feet tall. So lots of the decor stuff, you might want to look high and low for that because some of these prices will be dropped up to 50% off. And after the year that we've had, maybe a little Merry Christmas to you. $298 for that hot tub. You're saving $100. And if you're taking a trip or if you want a trampoline, also very good prices. And a lot of toys, both online and in store. Keep an eye out for that. These are just a couple at the end of the flyer. But yes, in store, I noticed they had in the toy aisle tons and tons of big containers with toys filled right to the top. So if you are going shopping on the 26th, be on the lookout for that. As always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.